Come on. Come on. Yes! Way to go, Silver.
Yeah.
We scale?
Go. We scale.
Let's go, Silver! Ooh, that gives him dead.
Hawk to Speak for me, Lauren.
What?
Good boy. Dude, this fucking Bebop hates my guts.
He's just like me for real.
Shout out my friends. Oh, there we go.
I was thinking about it.
6'7". Chris, you like boy bands?
You like boys.
Yes. I do like boys. You can't kill me when I'm inside a guy. When I'm inside a minion.
What?
When you're inside a guy.
What do you do?
What? Oh my god, I'm just taking so much damage. Oh my god. And I can't move. What is going on? I love Graves. I love Graves. I love Graves. I love Graves. I love Graves.
Dude.
She's my favorite character. I'm so glad you spent so many votes voting to add this bum-ass character to the fucking game.
When Graves gets slept, she has her hands on her ears like an autistic child. She's overstimulated.
Bryce, if I asked you to be my best man, would you say yes or no? Just like hypothetically.
God, it's a loaded question. I'm not ready for it at this moment in time.
Such luck.
You know what? You know what? I respect that.
That wasn't a no.
I'm actually playing the... I support the enemy team. This is a support character I like to play.
I've noticed. You know, if you put the little decimal point.
No, mine's without the decimal point. If we're adding the decimal,
Yeah, shut your bitch ass up.
fuck.
Oh, nice parry, dumbass. Bonk. Bonk. Nice parry, dumbass. Bonk. Bonk. Yeah, walk into that. Bonk.
What's up?
Tanya Delaney with Victor's got to be a bottom 5 experience all time.
The character, right? The character, right? Not the
no.
person.
Thanks, Remy!
Remy from.
Hey, don't forget about it.
Dude, I think I'd rather like blow my brains out than freaking play 7 games of Deadlock in a day. Holy.
Hey man, I like.
Because you ain't about the grind.
You ain't about the
You're
grind.
right, I'm not. I literally grind anything else. Grind my teeth.
Chris
Grind my balls.
busy working. Oh, I'm fucking dead. Oh my god, he's on my dick. He's doing tricks on it. He's doing tricks on it.
Israel GPT, generate me a game that Israelis around the world will love. Generating a game. This game is called Deadlock.
Okay. Why do you hate the game, bro?
I see the
Tony Stark made food porn with a box of scraps.
To the skies.
Ah, that's it.
Wait. Wait. Let me cook.
No, fucking.
How are we alive? Holy shit.
Are you okay?
No.
There's so much stunted CC. You guys call Overwatch bad.
This is kind of luck based for the most part.
Oh, yeah, can I stop getting stuck on things? Oh my god. You know what, Seth, you're absolutely right. I'm gonna go play Overwatch. I just fell out of the
Oh,
map.
you fell through the map?
Oh, I'm back.
What?
Leaving green. Good luck, fellas.
Goes Mina low.
He's going crazy. Look at him. Oh, we get touched. Run away.
We don't come over here. What are you doing? Chris the type I gotta be like, they found us, bro.
They found us. We're getting in touch as he brings the entire enemy team your way.
He was freaking the Infernus towards me, bro.
We are a team together.
Oh my god.
Oh, I died to a bomb. Bebop's half health.
What the fuck?
Bebop also wasted his ult. Huge ult. Boom!
Run, man.
Hit him with the knockdown. You got knocked down. Oh, he's got that double ult!
Oh.
Oh my god! Someone stop this man!
Rest of my
Can anyone
sweet.
else on our team do any amount of damage? Can anyone on our team do damage?
The magician is sitting there like Batman. He's just standing there.
I know, he's just sitting up there.
I'm trying my absolute hardest. Magician, use your ult! You're not the Dark Knight! Stop standing there!
It's not Asian. Look at us.
I want to kill myself. Look at that.
Look at us.
I got a souls, okay? Don't y'all worry. I'm gonna get up in there and do my best. Celeste, you look like a whore.
Damn.
Damn, bro. Can't sit through this mode.
Oh, stop! I was gonna hit a melee! Why would you do that? I'm gonna kill myself. I was about to fucking ram my fist up this Apollo's ass, and the fucking dynamo teleports me. So they are both very close to being dead.
Again, I got the longest cooldown right now, bro. I do nothing. Yeah,
God.
like I'm just gonna die.
You're right, you do nothing. Just nothing at all. You do absolutely fuck all.
Dude, I had my cooldowns, bro.
Let's go find that Graves.
I just grabbed the first thing I saw.
No fucking way we managed. That's great.
This could be me and Chris, but Chris doesn't play Mo anymore.
Be careful, Maurice.
Mo is
We used to have such good times doing that. Now he's like, oh, I play Paige. I play Rim. What happened to Mo, man? What happened to Mo?
you cry. It sounds like you're teary-eyed.
We're gonna help the Mina. Just grab the first person you can. Great talent.
I'm not Phantom Strike into the lash.
It's just you and me. And all of the deadlockers.
And all of the people.
I know you got some shit going on because you're singing louder and louder.
Who that?
Got it.
Chris,
Like a kiss from a rose. Guys, I don't think this is a trophy collector game. I'm gonna be real.
no, I think.
Oh, now you don't feel the trophy like the game. This is the one.
I'm like, oh my god, I'm dying to the flame.
I know.
Fucking.
This guy died in the walker. What a bomb! What a bomb! What a bomb!
He wasn't banned in this.
Good Graves. I've always wanted to be Hitler.
All I can sit there and do is just watch you get beat by a mole.
Drifter, touch the goddamn little child!
What?
Touch the child!
Optimus Prime, please jerk me off.
Okay. Oh, I canceled it.
You're so fucking. I could make out with you right now.
Make out with me right now. Make out with me right now. Kiss me. Give me tongue.
Oh. There's almost 500,000 people right now playing fucking Dota 2.
Yeah, shut your bitch ass up. Guy's just beeping. Okay. 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 You know what? I'm sorry I ever doubted your magician abilities. My mistake.
Ever question my decision again?
My fucking mistake.
I don't know. Grab
He's
a
doing it
lash.
again! Oh, she's doing it again! And I don't want the world to see me!
I'm glad you slammed them
'Cause I don't-
outside of my fucking spines.
Well, I didn't know you pushed their spines there. You could probably say something. You could probably say something. I had fun.
I did,
How else was
especially
this
after
going
you
to end?
sabotaged the team.
I didn't know! I'm sorry, okay? I was just the
I take back any compliments I gave you at the beginning of the game when we had a good
Oh
night.
my god.
I redact any of those compliments.
What did I fucking do? I'm just